So we are almost done. So the only thing that is left is the footer. And again, we will create a block. So select the section and we'll say footer. Custom flex. Okay. And then let's make editable fields. So this will be image, logo. And then the link will go to the home page. Home post, where is it? Site link going home. So that means, because we are using site link and we'll also use menu function, so this means this will be a dynamic PHP block. So let's say this is a, I don't know, tagline. And then here we have the, let's say, menu 1 title. And then this will be menu 2 title. And then the menu itself, so here we will use the menu function, menu. So location, let's say we'll show primary menu, and here we will say location will be footer right. So we will register this menu location so that we can easily customize all these menu items. And then here we will have newsletter. So let's again use block attributes to make this form title, to make this customizable. And then we can even implement the form itself. So let's see, where is it? So this we can use the form function, form smart action. And let's say we will just send submissions to email, to the admin email, and the post title will be new newsletter subscriber, and we can just leave this all empty. We could even use reCAPTCHA, but I won't set it up here. Okay, so we'll even have a simple form mailer. And then, so let's see, is this part of the footer? Yeah, it is. So then we can, because we don't want to change this year every year, right? So let's change it into a span, just the numbers, span, done. And then select them, and then we have function which display current year in the content. So then this will take care of displaying the copyright notice, and it will be always up to date, showing the current year. Okay, so is that all? Yeah, everything is editable. So now let's save and export the block. And here, let's add it to the page. footer. Close. Oops, no, we don't want to leave. Okay, and we can edit, we can replace the image, we can change this text. And the menu is shown. So if we want to use another menu, like for the second one, we can use the customizer. So we go customize, and then menus, and then we have, footer right, create new menu. Add items, or we'll just add some quickly, doesn't matter what it is, just to test the menu. Publish. And here we are, and it's 2022. And let's subscribe to this awesome newsletter. Okay, didn't work, so let's go back to the drawing board. So here, okay, actually we would need a form element, but we don't have it, it's just div. So let's add form. So we can, let's just transform this div into a form. And export the page. Let's load it. Is this even a button? Oh no, it's not. So let's change this into a button. And it should submit information. So let's go here and see button type submit. Okay, so that was kind of sloppy on account of the source template. So let's try to subscribe now. Okay, I guess it worked. Yeah, thank you for getting in touch. There are other, we could set this up nicely, but I don't think this form is very useful, because most likely we will hook it up to some external newsletter provider. But just to let you know, if we wanted, we could define like special messages, special elements that are displayed when the form is successfully submitted, or in case of some errors during submission. But I guess this is quite good. So our page is working, and everything, every single information there is editable with the block editor. So thank you for watching and following along. I hope you enjoyed this journey. It was fun to create this project. And just to recap, Like the main difference between Pinegrow and web builders such as Oxygen or Bricks or Elementor is that Pinegrow sites don't require any special plugins. They're really native WordPress themes, plugins, and Gutenberg blocks. So there is no overhead. There is no difference between coding these blocks by hand or using Pinegrow to create them. No overhead, no plugins are required, no performance penalty to pay, no security risks of depending on an external plugin that needs to be loaded all the time. So it's really a lean way to create custom websites. And I guess compared to normal site builders, a bit of extra work is involved. But on the flip side, we have complete control over every single aspect of our projects. And we can add custom code, we can use plugins, there are no limitations whatsoever. So anyway, this project will be available for download as a starting project and also as the finished project, so you can use it to learn and poke around and see how things are done. So thank you so much and all the best. Bye bye.